Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, February 17th. You can see temperatures this morning in the mid-20s to around 30. Some light snow overnight, anywhere from a trace to an inch. We picked up an inch of snow here across the Breckenridge area, and we got some pretty good snow showers across southeast lower Michigan. You can see a couple of lines. The red line, that is the Friday temperature, the 50-degree line, which the European model says anywhere south of that line should be in the 50s. In fact, it has Mount Pleasant and Elma around 56 and 58 degrees, with possibly some 60-degree temperatures across areas like Three Rivers over towards Constantine, Hillsdale, Jackson over towards southeast lower Michigan. Certainly a possibility we could see our first 60-degree temperature of the calendar year. And the GFS, which has had mainly 40-degree temperatures in Michigan, now has a 50-degree line up to about Lansing, down towards Detroit. Again, it has moved a little bit farther north over the last couple of runs, so we'll see if the European model ends up winning the miniature game there, and I think it will. Again, a pretty warm day on Friday, but also plenty of wind. We could see temperatures on, or wind gusts on Friday of over 40 miles per hour, so we could see some scattered power outages. Certainly a possibility. If we look at the next map, you can see across the Great Lakes the cold air coming in behind this Clipper system. So our temperatures today will pretty much hold steady, maybe climb into the low to mid 30s across far southeastern lower Michigan, but mainly mid 20s to around 30, and then temperatures falling through the 20s, I think, late in the day. Well on our way to a very cold night tonight. We can see temperatures tonight around the upper single digits to low teens, so a very cold night tonight. If we take a look at the webcam from Brown City, you can see the light snow falling over there, about a half inch it looks like, dusting to a half inch. And you can see on the College of DuPage, Illinois radar, that activity now most prominent across the Michigan thumb area. And again, that moving into southwest Ontario here over the next few hours. Looks like the snow showers will continue, but they'll gradually diminish and end here later this morning. We could even see some decent amount of sunshine in parts of the area this afternoon. And the weather map this morning, you can see that low pressure system responsible for the light snow overnight now off to the northeast towards northeastern Lake Huron, with a cold front trailing back through the state now. And we got an Arctic high pressure system that's just going to graze the area again, mainly with its coldest temperatures tonight. And it'll move off to the east tomorrow. We can put the map into motion. You can see by tomorrow morning that high pressure system now off to our east. And after a very cold start to the day, I think our winds will shift to the southwest. That'll warm us up into the upper 20s. Possibly to the mid-30s across the area for tomorrow, and we'll see energy gathering off to our west, and that's going to be our big weather maker as we get into Thursday night and Friday. Not impossible Thursday night. We could see a bit of a mix across central and north central lower Michigan, with mainly light rain across southern lower Michigan. Again, very little as far as the amounts from this storm here across our area. Heaviest will be across the UP, and we put the map into motion by Friday. You can see as that low pressure system moves well off to our north, the greatest concentration of precipitation will be across the UP and far northern lower Michigan. Even a chance of a couple of thunderstorms across Wisconsin near the Triple Point and along the warm front. And we'll watch our MAC lightning detection network to see if we can pick up on any of that lightning activity that might occur. It's not a given for sure. But again, as this system moves to the east, it'll be pretty progressive and only light amount of precipitation, mainly around 1/10 of an inch, possibly 1/4 of an inch as you get up towards the Breckenridge area off to the north. But I think most areas will be 1/10 of an inch or less out of the system. The big story will be the very warm temperatures and the strong winds with this system. Again, possibly gusting to over 40 miles per hour. And with that, we could certainly see a possibility of some power outages. This is a consumer's energy energy power outage map. You can see this particular one shows Gladwin County. It's about the only area of the state with any outages, only 46 customers or 0.2%. And again, as we get into Friday night, we can see more power outages, and you can check those here at the Consumers Energy website. As far as precipitation over the next 7 days, again, very limited across much of the MAC and LAC areas, mainly under 1/10 of an inch, as most of the precipitation will be well off to our north. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day, and 73s to all.